Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and digitally sign PDFs with Adobe Acrobat? Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So as you can see, I have the Adobe Acrobat open right over here. I can simply go ahead and click on open, and then I'll go ahead and look for a PDF file. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. Let's just say this one, okay? Now, for example, if I want to go ahead and add a e-signature, what I need to do is simply go ahead and head into request or fill and sign right over here, and then simply click on add signatures, and then you can simply go ahead and write or even draw right over here. So however you like, or your signature overall. Click on apply, and now you can just go ahead and drop it anywhere you want. Adjust the size, as this is going to be resizable. So that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.